ang mas madali sa'yo? Pagkanta o pag-drawing?
Parang mas sa pagkanta eh.
Saan mas magaling?
Gumagaling ako pag may cash prize.
Oh, don't worry, cash prize naman yan.
Yes! Kaya ako gumagaling.
Mark, pang ilang sali mo na to?
Pangatlo na.
Pangatlo ba? Nanalo ka ba nun? Sa
Di
mga
pa po.
pass? Hindi pa. Malay mo, turn na. Diba si Pia Words back? Nanalo pangatlong beses. Ayun, manalo ka ngayon. Yan, good luck. Ilang sali mo na to?
First. Second.
Second na. Nanalo ka ba last time?
Hindi ako sumali last year.
Hindi yung last, yung una.
Nung una, second place.
Second one? Yes.
Good
Tingin mo,
luck to me.
makukuha mo ba ngayon yung mga, isa sa mga ano?
Hopefully.
Hopefully. Yan. Seryoso yun.
Kailangan, syempre, yung ano tawag dito, yung reward, yung premyo.
True. Kamusta man yung pagsali ulit ngayon?
Try and try.
Try. Yung Ferris yung mga gamit last year, oh.
Dito pa. Ito, wala pa nga.
Pa pala, oh. Nag-drawing ka talaga?
Bata ako.
Bata ka.
Medyo ako na
Kailan yung last time na nag-drawing ka?
Tagal na rin siguro. Pero syempre, pag marunong ka, di na mawawala sa'yo.
Nice. Good luck. Pang ilang sali mo na to, June?
3.
Pang 3. Nalala ka ba sa mga previous?
Yes.
Nung unang-una,
Ano ko noon? Second place.
second place. Itong panglawa,
Pangalawa, champion.
ay taray siya. Tingin mo makuha mo ulit yung corona, hindi mo mawawala sa Hopefully. Ayan. Good luck. Talagang nag-ano kayo, nag-drawing kayo. Simula yung pagkabata niyo.
No.
No?
Actually, this is my first time na mag-use ng puzzle kasi I've been to drawing but more on painting and
Painting. How
so
about you?
it's really hard to like
Interesting activity lang.
Nice. Good job. Mali mo, meron ka palang talent sa art.
Alright.
malam may bigay
Abstract.
sa
Wow. Diba? Good luck. Kailan yung huling last, na nag-drawing ka?
Hindi ko na po matandaan.
During school days.
Opo.
During school days. Nice. Ikaw, Be, kailan yung last time na nag-drawing ka?
Hindi ko rin malala.
Pero nag-join ka sa mga ganitong contest before?
No.
Never? Ikaw, Be, never din.
Hindi din po.
Malay
First
nyo,
time.
di ba? Nice. Good luck.
Nawap.
Hello there. Saan ka sa mga contest talaga ng mga poster making?
Dati po, mga elementary ako, high school.
Nice. Good luck. Bakit naisipan mong block yung gamitin? Bakit block yung naisip mong gamitin?
Ito yung nasa isip ko eh.
Nice. Good
Simple
job.
lang.
Kasi sa lahat ng nakita ko, ikaw lang yung iba yung ganyan. Ever since nag-drawing ka na ba talaga dati? Ay, talaga? First time mo sumala rin sa contest. Nice. Good luck. Ay, when parang ngayon lang kitang sumali ng
Kaya nga eh.
ng contest. Pero nag-draw ka talaga.
Pero hindi talaga drawing yung parang pinakang forte ko. Like detail talaga athletic.
Nice. Ikaw, Ben, sumasali ka sa mga contest? Hindi. First time mo?
Bali second time po, pero for the long ago pa yung iba.
Nice. Good luck. Hi. Sumasali ka talaga sa mga contest?
Okay.
Kailan yung huling, mo? Sali ng contest?
Sa school lang,
School
senior high
days,
school.
senior high. Kamusta naman yung off mo? Pero pumanta ka.
Okay naman. Nakalimutan ko po talaga mag-set ng alarm.
Okay lang. Na-appreciate namin yung pagpunta mo. Kahit off mo. Yeah. Good luck. Signature mo.
Wala.
Ayan na. Ayan na. Si Jun pala ha. Mamili ka.
Siyempre,
si Jun o...
ikaw.
Ayan yan. Ay, sige nga. Sino ulitin mo nga?
Si Joshaya. Joshaya? Mali ba ako pagkakaano sabi? Si Josh. Number 1.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you, Josh.
So, sino sinishare mo sa kanila?
Well, actually, every one of them are really... Charot!
Sa mga nakikita mo, may mga piling mo. Sino magiging winner mo?
I saw a lot of, talented agents here. Like, this one, look at this. You will know that this person will be a makeup artist in the future. And this one, come on, follow me. Look at this one. See? Hindi mo malalaman na lalaki talaga yung gumawa. Ito pa, meron pa ako dito. This one. Kaya mo to, parang coloring book.
Masama ba
Bakit ka muna?
Ayoko na, please.
Charis lang, agent ko yan.
Kaya ano favorite color mo?
Red. Joke lang, blue. Blue is my favorite.
Vlogger ka na ba, Josh?
Ha?
Vlogger ka na. I-follow kita. What's your...
Pero eme lang yung sa akin.
Ha?
Eme lang sa akin.
Okay lang yun. I-follow mo rin ako, ha? Hi, welcome to...
Ang Mariah ng Blue Plaza. Ayan na, oo.
Ang galing nung ahente ko, tapos na siya magtasa ng pencil.
Ano? Wait lang.
Tapos na siya magtasa ng pencil. Congratulations! Nakasahan na yung pencil niya.
Maganda.
Sino nandito?
Wala pang kulay yan, ha?
Sino dito?
Si Ryan.
Meron ako dito nakita.
Mag-update na ako lagi.
Saan yung nakita ko kanina? Ay, ito, parehas sila ng design.
The design was so very...
This one, may trophy din siya.
The design was so very...
Tapos ito may trophy. So, ano bang motive? Ano bang theme ng na to?
The theme is empowering minds, shaping future.
Oh,
I empower the
minds. Ito, ano to? Mind?
Hindi, okay.
Ano yan? BT yan.
Cloud yan eh.
I will
BT yan.
explain. Brain, books.
Yung sa ano yan? BTS.
Galing. I'm so proud of you, anak.
Oh my God. Agent mo?
May Xbox na ba ako? May
Oh my goodness, you're so very wonderful. Very good. Your goodness, my dear.
Akin na, tatanggalin ko yung kiss niya, tatanggalin ko. Wala na.
Ikaw ang
Sige
nagdulang
naman.
hindi ako.
Bye.
Bye, vlog.
Weekend.
Bye! Happy weekend!
Ano message mo?
Actually, I'm proud for Carlotta's drawing. Na manifest niya yung theme which is empowering minds, shaping future. So, look at this. It's a very fantastic artwork. Thank you, Carlotta, for participating.
Thank you, DS.
I really don't know about this thing. It's just like very random. When I read about like the theme, it's just like very random. So I mean, am I going to explain like? Alright, so this is like a trophy, and this is like the half body of a person because the theme, diba, is like empowering the mind. So like I have these two hands right here. So these are like parang magtutulungan when it comes to like like themes and stuff like that. And then like this one, with the help of this two, or like with the help of like teamwork, it will just gonna like, you know, overflow like the knowledge and everything. Like here's a cup, which is the number one, which is like the trophy. Because if ever na parang I don't know really, I don't really know how to explain it, but like yeah, this one is like a person and a trophy. Kasi once you have that knowledge and everything and the success and stuff like that, of course you'll get to like to the top. Like you're gonna be the top one and stuff like that. So, yeah.
Thank you.
What's up, everyone? My name's Dustin, and this is my poster for the event, the drawing event. Right? We have a brain. This represents us, right? And given the fact that the theme is empowerment, right? We want to rise through a foundation of knowledge. You know, better do our jobs, and as a result, contribute to our company, Result CX.
Thank you.
Alright. So the theme was ano theme?
Empowering na.
Yeah. Empowering minds, shaping futures. So I incorporated yung theme po sa trabaho natin, which is sa results po. We are call center agents. And the pink represents the mother who raised all her children as a call center agent na pag-graduate niya, which is a sign po from the TOGAS, which is SLAS IT, I think, and then engineering. Dyan pa lang, these are very prestigious, what do you call that, mga courses, I should say. Pero as a single mom, nagtatrabaho siya sa call center, and nagawa niyan mapag-graduate sila. So she is shaping a future, what do you call, ano
Empowering minds, shaping
she
future.
is empowering minds for a brighter future.
Thank you. How was it?
Masaya. Tapos nakaka-inspire lalo dahil may mga ganitong activities, lalo akong na-excite pumasok. Lalo na may mga ganitong activities na pwede mo pang ma-explore. Even though di ka naman ganun kagaling mag-drawing, at least na-explore mo yung mga ganitong bagay at na-bibigay mo yung best mo na you can imagine na kaya mo palang gawin.
Thank you so much.